Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to paint some blue jays. It is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Let's get started. There are only three colors on this bird: blue, black, and white. I'll only use blue and black in this painting and not white, so I'll leave some blank space to indicate the pattern on the feather and the chest. The hat is also blue color, but I'm getting just a bit of ink at the tip of the brush to create a deep shades of blue. And then the beak is in black. I like Blue Jay because it is really beautiful and the color combination works well with Chinese painting. I have to say that not all subjects are great for Chinese painting. I've been using very few color, ink, and Chinese brushes. And I like the subtlety of the color, particularly when it seeps through the rice paper. So when you have a chance to look at the Chinese painting close up, you'll notice that the color and the paper become one. Now I'm using only ink to paint the branches for the blue jay to perch on. It is a type of very large bird, so the tree branches looks thin. I want this to be a winter field, and these tree branches are actually pine trees. I'm painting a few pine cones with brown color, and I mixed it with orange and ink. Now I'm going back to touch up some ink on the feather. Now you can see the pattern with 3 colors, the white, the black and blue. I don't know if you can see clearly from this distance, but I'll show you a close-up at the end. Now I'm finishing the bird with the eye and the feet. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.